Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word Zephyrine. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is Zephyrine or Zephyrin. Let's break it down. First we have ZEF, which sounds like Zeph in Zephyr. Next is a short, unstressed vowel sound like the A in sofa. Finally, reen or rin, which sounds like green or rin in Mandarin, depending on the variation. Now let's put it all together, Zephyrine. Try repeating after me, Zephyrine. Now a little faster, Zephyrine. And at full speed, Zephyrine. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Zephyrine is a rare name or word derived from zephyr, meaning a soft, gentle breeze, often associated with something light and airy. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce Zephyrine and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.